All right, so here we have some fractions to add together, and it's really a simplifying problem. You may remember how to do fractions like, what's 1/3 plus 1/4. This one looks like it's more complicated because there's a variable in here. This, what is this? The psi variable right here. But really it could be x, it could be y, it could be something really complicated. It could have been like 2 cosine of x over 5. Really, it's just a variable, and you shouldn't let it distract you. The rules of adding and subtracting fractions are going to be the same. So I'll do the first one right here. Let's say 2 psi 5 minus 5 psi 6. If we try to subtract these, you see the first thing you should be looking at is those denominators. Those are not common denominators. So we're going to have to make them common. And the easiest way to do this is by multiplying each fraction by some number so that the result is a common denominator. And for the one on the right, I'm going to choose a fraction. The one on the left, I'm going to choose a fraction. Now, what could we multiply the denominators by, 5 and 6, to make them equal? Well, how about if we multiply the right side by 5 over 5, the left side by 6 over 6? So what do we get? We get 12 psi over 30 minus 25 psi over 30. Well, now we have our common denominators, and you can just simplify this straight through. This becomes negative 13 psi on top over 30, and that's going to be your answer. Now, the next one might look like this is a little more complicated because it almost seems like it's not a fraction, but maybe you should rethink it. 4 psi over 5 plus 3 psi. Well, what's the denominator? It's just 1. It's not written because you don't need to say divided by 1, but that's really what's going on here. So what can I do to make this have the same common denominator? Well, I'm going to pick 5 over 5. Okay, and remember, when I'm multiplying by this thing right here, this 5 over 5, that's okay because I'm not changing the value of the fraction it's multiplied against, right? The reason I know I'm not changing its value is because 5 over 5 is basically just 1. You can multiply anything by 1. So what we get here is 4 psi over 5 plus 15 psi over 5, and that's just going to be 19 psi over 5.